Shelter in place still going on. Time to teach you how to make my shake. All you need. All right. Here we go. This is my favorite Amazing Grass protein superfood. It's plant-based. It comes in different flavors. I like vanilla. Organic triple fiber. All of us old people need to be regular. Chopped kale. Frozen fruit, any kind of frozen fruit. Berries are high in antioxidants. You have chia seed, hemp seed, and flax seed. A scoop of each of those. 1 banana, 1 apple, a cube of ice. And there you go. Also, you need 2 more things. I forgot. You got organic coconut water, any kind of coconut water, and then also almond milk. Next, you blend. It's delicious.